Hi, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick walk through a 2024 Galeon 425 HTS. Let's walk through it and see what she offers. So a really neat feature about the cockpit of the Galeon 425 HTS is you have a half-shaped moon here in the cockpit facing forward with a reverse dinette here, and a window and a door opens and it fully opens up to the entire helm station. Up here we do have a television. It's all air conditioned, of course. Refrigerator, some additional storage, and a high-low table. So if you're not using it, you can convert it into an additional sleeping area. One-piece full windshield all the way forward. And of course, you're going to notice a massive sunroof opened up to really kind of bring as much natural light as you can inside the boat. At the helm station, the backrest just flips over. And you're going to notice we do also have joystick docking on the Volvo Pentadrives, Raymarine electronics, and all easy access to your autopilot and all your gauges. So now we're on the lower level, and what you're going to notice is we have a port-side galley, all the necessities, everything you need: sink, Kenyan stove, refrigerator, and of course, you're going to notice all the natural light that comes from the open atrium here. Right up from the sunroof all the way to the windshield. Starboard side, we do have access to the full beam master. Ton of space all the way around to walk, lots of storage space, and then a full shower head compartment forward. As we work our way forward, we're going to notice port side, we have our day head here. And that is shared to the forward VIP. Lots of storage, 2 hanging lockers, a lot of natural light, and of course, beautiful windows to see the water all the way around. So come on down to MarineMax Clearwater, check out the 2024 Galeon 425 HTS. My name is Patrick Rourke. I'll take you through it.